If you purchase this, you'll be given a whole series of resources for teaching and learning Python. You'll get 4 folders: booklets, presentations, Python examples, and task solutions. So the booklets are broken down into chapters starting from the very basics all the way up to T-Kinter, so from about GCSE level all the way up to sort of beginning of the A level. Also included with that is a copy of all the PDFs, and so you get a look of the example of what it looks like. So here's the booklet covering all the topics that are required, and laid out in the sort of following, where you get a list, an explanation of the concept with some examples, and you also get a series of tasks at the end of each section in the chapters. Also with this you get a supporting presentation. So the presentation is on the folders in here, and they're all laid out. So one lesson, chapter 1, may cover 2 or 3 different presentations depending on what you're doing, and the presentations look sort of similar. Each presentation has a series of objectives and it takes you through various explanations, and you will then get a series of tasks, and the solutions are all included, annotating, so you can take the students through. So along with all this, you also get all the solutions to the Python tasks, and I've put them all in nice order of chapter with supporting examples of the concepts you're explaining, and also with all the task solutions, which are clearly labeled and annotated throughout. There are over 13 chapters in here, and say between 15 and 20 tasks in each chapter. And along with that you also get some Python just example code of various different things that I've compiled over time. So I hope this will be useful to you. Any suggestions for improvement, please let me know. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.